I'm Sanjay Maheshwari. I presently live in Amer in Jaipur. Last Saturday, today is Wednesday, last Saturday in the evening suddenly I started sweating and I went for an ECG in Amer and they suggested me that I should immediately rush to Jaipur. We had no driver available at that time. We immediately make arrangements and came to Eternal Hospital. While coming here, we made contact with Dr Sanjeev Sharma and sent him the ECG report. We had a look at it, and when we arrived after 1.5 hours, because the traffic was too much, when we arrived at Eternal, at the emergency, his entire team was ready at the emergency. They took me in. Everybody was on their toes. They took me straight to the OT. One of my artery had 100% blockade. Somehow I managed to reach here. They took me to the OT, immediately did a angioplasty, put a stent. The entire process at the hospital was perfect. I was awake all the time. I could see what was happening even in the OT. Dr. Sanjeev Sharma's team was so awesome. They made me feel comfortable. They said everything is okay. It was a massive heart attack and he literally gave me a new life. I'm so thankful to Dr. Sanjeev Sharma. Thank you very much.